Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp number from all unknown contact. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the WhatsApp and here you can see three dot on the top right corner. So click on it and then you can see setting option. So click on setting and then click on privacy. So in privacy you can see different options. So just click on about. So in about you can see I selected nobody. So always select nobody. So when you will select nobody, no one can see your WhatsApp number of all unknown contact. So guys, in this way you can hide your contact number from all unknown contact. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.